Okay friends, welcome to part 2 of our two-part Camp Maui-x rooftop tent adventure excursion. So where we left off last time, we were headed up a rainy Hana highway to our rainy campsite where we made camp and woke up to a beautiful sunrise just outside Hana off the ocean.
Yeah, in addition to that, we kind of just want to touch base with you guys really quick. I'm sure you have noticed that we just stopped daily vlogging. It was a ton of work to do in between the bus build and everything else we've got going on. So we decided to split it up into 2 types of videos, an adventure video, going out in these rooftop tent campers, and then also bus build videos. Look forward to seeing those videos on Wednesdays, Fridays, and Sundays. We're going back to that old schedule because it seemed to work really, really well for us. And sorry we haven't been able to live stream. We're gonna get back into that at some point when we have an internet situation that's all situated. Okay, all right, let's get back into this video. Chad's been working really hard editing it for the past 2 days.
Yeah, so we're gonna hop back into our campsite right off of Hana Highway.
Good morning. I woke up at about 6. We got about 11 hours of sleep last night. And I woke up at 6, looked out the window and noticed that we could see the sun rising from the tent and it looks gorgeous. So now it's about 6:30 and we got up and walked down to the beach and it did not disappoint.
So we are just getting everything kind of closed up back here, and then we're gonna go on to this hiking trail. It was actually the very first hiking trail I ever read about the first day that we came here. I didn't realize it was all the way on this side of the island, but we're gonna get everything packed away, hit it, and we'll see you guys on the hike. So this is strawberry guava that is literally just growing on all of these trees surrounding this path.
Sometimes being lost in nature, we've discovered, is where we truly find ourselves. This place will go down as the most beautiful place we've witnessed so far.
After that epic hike, we hopped back into the Xterra and kept heading east on Hana Highway towards Hana Town. The journey to Hana alone is truly an experience in itself. The lush greenery is just captivating. But one thing we really wanted to share with you in these videos was more in depth about the ins and outs of these rooftop tent campers. Unfortunately though, the first night outside of Haleakala Crater, it was just far too dark. It got dark so quickly. And when we rolled into the campsite just outside of Hana the second night, the rain continued until early the next morning. But don't worry, we're already planning the next excursion and we look forward to showing you everything about these awesome rooftop campers soon.
We followed Sean's directions and found ourselves walking along a cliffside path jetting down towards the most turquoise water I've ever seen. In the corner, carved out into the rock, we stumbled upon a red sand beach.
thought the waterfall was the most beautiful thing we'd see that day, but each view compounded upon the next, till overflowing gratitude was the only thing left.